Welcome to this lesson on statistics and probability. Today, we are going to explore the concept of correlation, focusing specifically on the strength and direction of linear relationships between two variables. So, what exactly is correlation? In statistics, correlation describes the association or connection between two numerical variables. It helps us understand how a change in one variable might be related to a change in another. For instance, we might ask if taller people tend to weigh more, or if studying longer leads to higher test scores. To visualize this relationship, we use a graph called a scatter plot. On a scatter plot, each dot represents a single data point with two values, an x value along the horizontal axis and a y value along the vertical axis. The overall pattern created by these dots gives us immediate clues about the relationship. Let's look at the first type of relationship, positive correlation. Here, both variables move in the same direction. As the x variable increases, the y variable also tends to increase. You can see this visually because the points slope upwards from left to right, like a hill you are climbing. Conversely, we have negative correlation. In this case, the variables move in opposite directions. As the x variable increases, the y variable decreases. On the graph, the points slope downwards from left to right, similar to walking down a hill. Sometimes there is no relationship at all. This is called no correlation. As you can see, the points are scattered randomly across the graph like confetti. Knowing the value of x tells us absolutely nothing about the value of y. Beyond just direction, we also look at strength. Strength refers to how closely the data points follow a clear linear path. If the points are tightly clustered together in a line, the correlation is strong. If they are spread out loosely, like a cloud, the correlation is weak. Statisticians use a specific number to measure this, called the correlation coefficient, represented by the letter r. The value of r always falls somewhere on a scale between -1 and +1. The sign tells us the direction, and the number tells us the strength. At the extremes of this scale, we have perfect correlation. An r value of +1 means a perfect positive linear relationship, where every point lies exactly on an upward line. An r value of -1 means a perfect negative relationship, where every point lies exactly on a downward line. Before we finish, there is one golden rule you must remember. Correlation does not imply causation. Just because two things are related, it does not mean one causes the other. For example, ice cream sales and sunglass sales are correlated, but buying ice cream doesn't make people buy sunglasses. They are both caused by a third factor, sunny weather. To summarize what we have learned, correlation measures the association between two variables visualized using scatter plots. It has a direction, which can be positive or negative, and a strength, which ranges from weak to strong. We quantify this using the coefficient r. And finally, always remember that correlation tells us about relationships, not cause and effect.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.